A phenomenon that has been affecting college students, adults, and children for years, as long as life has existed on Earth, has presented itself in the most intense ways through recent studies. One doesn't understand the disturbances and trouble of sleeping disorders until one has experienced it. It's not something you can study and understand. Considering the obscure way the mind works, the only way to understand the true negative effects of sleeping disorders is to experience it. This is the sole reason that sleep disturbances are understudied, falsely diagnosed, and looked over. Doctors, psychologists, and psychiatrists are overwhelmed with the amount of recent cases of sleeping disorders, and for the lack of information gathered, a cure or even temporary fix has yet to be discovered. Insomnia, sleep terrors, sleep paralysis, narcolepsy. The list goes on and on of how disturbed sleep patterns affect the average human. Restlessness at night leads to the most life-hindering exhaustion during the day, which affects the average human in their day-to-day activities such as work, studies, social activities, and the list continues.
Oh, yeah.
Probably inside.
You guys!
Madeline! Hey!
I miss you, Madeline.
Oh my god.
As this exhaustion and inability to be productive during the day from sleep disturbances progresses, you can only imagine how these disorders can affect lives in the long run. Exhaustion can lead to unproductiveness. This can lead to lack of motivation, which can lead to depression. No one considers what lack of rest can really do to your mind and to your body until you experience it yourself. Melatonin has been known to be the one and only natural over-the-counter drug to solve the problem of insomnia. However, recent studies have shown the overuse and dependence of melatonin can in fact lead to sleep paralysis and sleep terrors. Sleep paralysis is defined by Dr. Brian Sharpless of Washington State University of a period of time upon sleep onset or offset when voluntary muscle movement is inhibited, yet ocular movement remains intact. This basically means a period of mental unrest during sleep that can cause vivid and horrifying hallucinations to cause a night's loss of sleep. Not to mention the traumatic experience as a side effect, leading to mental withdrawal for days or weeks after the experience.
Madeline, what are you doing? We have an exam tomorrow.
Sleep paralysis is one example of a sleep disturbance that is desperate for further research because more and more people are experiencing this in their lifetime, leading to further disturbed mental states such as depression, stress, and anxiety. Experiencing sleep disturbances is a mental toll that most people don't even consider to be an issue or a disorder at all. This is why we must further research in dream psychology to find a cure.